Can we get much higher? Can we get much higher?
Throw your motherfucking hand. They say your attitude determines your latitude. I'm high as a motherfucker, fly as a motherfucker. And still the motherfucker you love to hate, but can't because you love what I make. Now ain't that about a bitch? And I'ma talk shit until I'm out of hits. You can't buy this, super flyness. The devil dances and eventually ends. Cause the devil's trying to break me down. Y'all fresh to death, then I'm deceased. Man, I promise. I'm so self-conscious. That's why you always see me with at least one of my watches. Rollies and pastas and drove me crazy. I can't even pronounce nothing past that for safety. Then I spent $400 on this, just to be like, nigga, you ain't up on this. And I can't even go to the grocery store without some ones that's clean and a shirt with a team. It seems we live in the American dream. The people highest up got the lowest self-esteem. The prettiest people do the ugliest things. For the road to riches and diamond rings. We shine because they hate us, lost because they the greatest. We tryna buy back our 40 acres. And for that paper, look how low we are stooped. Even if you in the bench, you still a nigga in the cool. Yeah, this the real one, baby. Chi-town fan. Come on. Mr. West is in the building, ain't no question who about to kill him. I used to have hood dreams, big fame, big chains. I stuck my dick inside his life until that bitch came and went hard all fall like the ball teams, just so I could make it rain all spring. Y'all seen my story, my glory. I had raped the game young. You could call it statutory when a nigga blow up. They gon' build statues for me. Old money, Benjamin Button, what nothing. Now super bad chicks giving me McLovin'. You would think I ran a world like Michelle's husband. You would think these niggas know me when they really doesn't. Like they was down with the old me. No, you fucking wasn't. You such a fucking loser. He ain't even go to class. Bueller. Trade the Grammy plaques just to have my granny back. Remember she had that bad hip like a fanny pack. Chasing the stardom will turn you to a maniac. All the way in Hollywood and I can't even act. They pull their cameras out and goddamn they snap. I used to want this thing forever, y'all can have it back. I used to want this thing forever, y'all can have it back. Trying to catch the beat. Now, throw your motherfucking hand. Get on high. All the girls pass the weed to your motherfucking man. Get on high. Now I ain't never tell you to put down your hand. Keep 'em high. And if you're losing your high, then smoke again. Keep 'em high. Nah, my flow is in the pocket like Wallace. I got the bounce like hydraulics. I can't call it, I got the swirl like alcoholics. My freshman year I was going through hella problems till I bit up the nerve to drop my ass up out of college. My teacher said I was a loser, I told her why don't you kill me. I give a fuck if you feel me, I'm gonna follow my heart. And if you follow the charts or the plaques or the stacks, you ain't gotta guess who's back. You see, I'm so shy that you thought I was bashful, but this bastard's flow will bash your skull. And I will cut your girl like past the troll. And I don't usually smoke but past the dro. And I won't give you that money that you asking for. Why you think me and Dane cool? We assholes. That's why we hear your music getting fast forward. Cause we don't wanna hear that weak shit no more. Throw your motherfucking hands. Get on high. All the girls pass the weed to your motherfucking man. Get on high. To a woman so hard. Now I ain't never tell you to put down your hands. Keep 'em high. How could you be so high? And if you're losing your high, then smoke again. Keep 'em high. How could you be Close your eyes and imagine, feel the magic. Vegas on acid, seen through Yves Saint Laurent glasses. And I've realized that I've arrived, cause it take more than a magazine to kill my vibe. Does he write his own rhymes? Or sort of, I think him. That mean I forgot better shit than you ever thought of. Damn, is he really that caught up? I ask, if you talking about classes, do my name get brought up? I remember I couldn't afford a Ford Escort or even a 4-track recorder. So it's only right that I let the top drop on a drop-top Porsche. For yourself, that's important. If your stripper named Portia and you get tips from any man, then your fat friend, her nickname is Minivan. Excuse me, that's just the Henny, man. I smoke, I drink, I'm supposed to stop, I can't because I smoke, I drink, I'm supposed to stop, I can't. You know what the Midwest is? Young and restless, but restless.
Nigga.
Might snatch your necklace, the next thing.
Nigga.
Might jack your Lexus. Somebody tell these
Nigga.
who Kanye West is. I walk through the valley of the shadow where death is. Top floor, the view alone will leave you breathless. Try to catch it. It's kinda hard getting choked by detectives. Yeah, and I check the method. They be asking us questions, harass and arrest us. Saying we eat pieces of shit like you for breakfast, huh? Y'all eat pieces of shit? What's the basis? We ain't going nowhere but got suits and cases. A trunk full of coke, rental car from Avis. My mama used to say only Jesus could save us. Well, mama, I know I act a fool, but I'll be gone to November. I got packs to move. I hope God show me the way because the devil's trying to break me down. The only thing that I pray is that my feet don't fail me now. The devil dances and eventually answers to the call of autumn. All them falling for the love of balling. Get caught with 30 rocks, the cop look like Alec Baldwin. Inner century anthems based off inner city tantrums, based off the way we was branded. Face it, Jerome get more time than Brandon. And at the airport they check all through my bag and tell me that it's random.
Kanye, can I talk to you for a minute?
How your son?
Think you could probably do something for the kids who graduation to sing.
Now I ain't saying she a gold digger, but she ain't messing with no broke. Now I ain't saying she a gold digger, but she ain't messing with no broke. Cutie divine, met her at a beauty salon with a baby Louis Vuitton under her underarm. She said, I could tell you rock, I could tell by your charm. Far as girls, you got a flock, I could tell by your charm and your arm, but I'm looking for the one. Have you seen her? My psychic told me she have a like Serena, Trina, Gina for Lopez, 4 kids, and I gotta take all they bad to showbiz. Okay, get your kids, but then they got their friends. I pulled up in the Benz, they all got up in. We all went to den, and then I had to pay. If you fucking with this girl, then you better be paid. You know why? Take too much to touch her. From what I heard, she got a baby by Buster. My best friend said she used to with Usher. I don't care what none of y'all say, I still love her. Get down, girl, gon' ahead, get down. Get down, girl, gon' ahead, get down. Get down, girl, gon' ahead, get down. Get down, girl, gon' ahead. Let me hear that back.
Run the fuck with that, Kanye. Stop talking some shit for the kids. You don't got nothing else to do. You ain't doing nothing with your life. Wake up, Mr. West.
And don't be trying to come around my girl acting like Mr. Friendly. and still the spotlight like Mr. Bentley. I spotted her like Spud McKenzie, and for them fake boobies, I paid them Benjis. Get your own. I got Paris, he got Nikki, he tried to get him a clone. He said, yeah, you know you got extra hoes, and everything you do is extra cold. From the polo fleece to the Jesus piece. I got family in high places like Jesus, niece. Can I please say my piece? If y'all fresh to death, then I'm deceased. If y'all fresh to death, then I'm deceased. If y'all fresh to death,
then I'm a motherfucking
and this
monster.
one here is a heat rock, spit like a beatbox, the way the beat rocks, new version of beat rock. But for that Benz, I get CL love, so I switch my girls around like 3L Dub.
The best living or dead, hands down, huh? Best living or dead, hands down, huh? Hands down, huh? Best living or dead, hands down. Let's talk more here right now, huh? Let's talk more here right now. Let's talk more here right now.
And I want to show you how you all look like beautiful stars tonight.
I was 3 years old when you and I moved to the Shy. Late December, harsh winter gave me a cold. It fixed me up something that was good for my soul. Famous homie chicken soup, can I have another bowl? You work late nights just to keep on the lights. Mommy got me training wheels so I could keep on my bike. And you would give me anything in this world. Michael Jackson leather and the glove, but didn't get me no curl. And you never put no man over me. And I love you for that, mommy, can't you see? 7 years old, caught you with tears in your eyes. Cause somebody cheating, telling you lies. Then I started to cry as we knelt on the kitchen floor. I said, mommy, I'ma love you till you don't hurt no more. And when I'm older, you ain't gotta work no more. And I'ma get you the mansion that we couldn't afford. See, you're unbreakable, unmistakable, highly capable lady that's making loot, a living legend too. Look at what heaven do, send us an angel. And I thank you. Last night I saw you in my dream. Now I can't wait to go to sleep.